Well, hello. What would you like to do here, Nema? What are you up to, little Nema? Hey. And here we are. This is looking pretty good in here, I think. Here we go. This is our new room together. That's good. Okay. And now we go hunting for our little boy. I think we may have found out who loves to play with the flowers. I think we probably need to find another place for the flowers. That might be good. Okay, anybody else around here? Who's here? Who's here? Yeah? Oh, I think that there's a dog somewhere who's wanting some attention. Where are you, dog? Hey. There's the great E.T. Good. Hello, E.T. Oh. That's, Oh. What? Hello. Doggy. Are you here? Dog, come on. No. Come on. Oh. Little dog. Come on. Oh. Are you a sweetheart? You a sweetheart. You really good? Okay. Here we go. Let's go into the room. We got to get into the room. Come on. Yep. Everybody lined up. There we go. Time to go in. Thank you, doggy. There we go. Oh my gosh, it's so dark. Oh no. Who left the lights off? Oh my goodness. There we go. Hello, little girl. Oh, but you have plenty. It's all gone. You ate all of your chicken. Yeah, I know. There you guys are. Look what's going to happen here tonight. Oh my. Oh yes. We are definitely set up. All right. Hello, Papel. Who else is coming in? Hello. Who's over here? Katiki. Katrik. Oh, little cabbage. How are things going, little cabbage? All right, time for water. Let's do some water. Good girl. You like the water? Yeah, there you go. Good girl. Good girl. Look who's here. You decided to chase me, huh? Little fella. Yes, baby. You're so small. You're still so small. Yes.